certainly had to be, and if you guys know, I mean, Joe really was an accomplished driver. He got involved in barrel racing and frequently won. But I thought this was a really cool award